from Pit Stop Kitchen and Garden, and in this video I'm going to show you what happened the first time I tried to harvest regular potatoes. And I'm going to give you a little what they call that, spoiler, a spoiler alert, and let you know that the second time, well, it's the first time I ever harvested the regular potatoes. But before, if you guys saw how disastrous my sweet potato harvest was, this is not gonna be so bad. But it wasn't. I'll let you guys see. Is it taping?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to try my hand. This is my first time trying to harvest potatoes, and I don't know if I'm going to get anything. It don't look like I'm getting nothing. I don't know what's up with me and potatoes. Look at that. Look, I guess we're gonna have to go to the store and get some, because these potatoes are very small. You still taping? Look how small these things are. And there's so much water down there too. I think I overwatered. Uh-oh, there go one. Me and these potatoes, boy.
Mommy, look.
Yeah, but I think that's a seed potato. Nope. Are you still taping?
Yeah.
Cause I was just about to give up. I'm about to say, ain't nothing in here. Okay. It's so wet in here. I think it just, because it's so hot, I was over watering maybe. Okay. Oh, well, I'm not as disappointed as I thought I was going to be, because I thought I wasn't going to get anything. It's so wet down here, though. Those potatoes look like they are just like on their own in the middle. They're not even connected. They're not even connected to like the stem. This is all wet. Oh well, I'm not watering those others in that bag. Maybe I'll do better.
That looks like an egg.
Let's see. Look at that. Oh, maybe because they're coming off of the stem. Maybe that's why there's nothing at the bottom. Jeez Louise, child. I don't know. Maybe when your dad get home, we look and see. Maybe he'd pull it over for us. But that whole big bucket, and that's what we got. But at least we got something. Before we didn't get nothing. All right. Okay, so as you saw, I only got like a handful of potatoes. When Mr. P came home, it was like 1 or 2 potatoes left in the bucket, so it wasn't too much. So the second part of the video, I figured I would let these potatoes, I would let them die all the way back. So the reason why I rushed to harvest them a couple weeks ago is because on my garden group, they were like, oh, it's getting really hot. We need to harvest the potatoes now, or they're gonna get rotten in the bag or whatever container that you put them in. So that's why I was like in kind of a rush. If you guys saw, you know, I still had greenery and everything, but I pulled them up anyway. That's the reason why I was in such a haste. But because I didn't get the kind of harvest that I really would have liked, at least it was a harvest. So I'm doing better than the sweet potatoes. So I figured if I get a rotten potato, I get a rotten potato. But I'm gonna do a little experiment. I'm gonna let these go. I'm gonna let them just keep on going until they're completely dead, and then I'm gonna harvest them. And either I'm gonna get a better harvest of potatoes, or I'm gonna get rotten potatoes. But either way, I'm gonna show you guys. So if you live in a desert climate, or even in a hot climate, you don't have to think, oh, it's getting hot, let me harvest the potatoes. They might be fine, and they might not be fine. So check back to the next video, because hopefully I will have some good news. And thanks for watching. Be safe and take care.